Now, in the same US state, drivers have been battling some terrible conditions. Slick roads made the morning commute a very slippery one as car after car skidded and spun out of control. No one was hurt in the pile-up. The only pain, in fact, was having to lodge a few insurance claims. And a snowplough driver found himself in a spot of bother while trying to clear a car park. He wound up in a snow-covered hole. It took a crane to pull him out.